Did you know that crypto investors are making thousands of dollars in passive income every month using these simple strategies? In this video, I will be going over my 3 favorite crypto passive income strategies. And by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge you need to make consistent passive income in the crypto market today. But first, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in crypto. Strategy number 1, staking. Staking is one of the most popular and basic strategies to earn passive income in the crypto market. And because of its ease to use, its popularity is increasing rapidly. With staking, you lock up a certain amount of your crypto holdings to earn rewards. And the rewards are often paid in the same cryptocurrency that you are locking up. By staking your cryptocurrency, you are participating in approving and verifying the transactions on the blockchain. The rewards for staking vary based on the cryptocurrency, conditions such as demand on the blockchain for the crypto you are staking, and the method you use. But staking is not risk-free. When you stake your crypto, you often have to lock it up for a predetermined time, and you will not be able to withdraw your staked crypto until the lockup period is fully completed. So let's say the price of the crypto you have staked tanks. You will not be able to sell it to cut your losses, so you might end up losing money. With that said, staking can be extremely profitable and is an excellent way to earn some passive income on your crypto. 3 of the most popular cryptocurrencies to stake is currently Cardano, Solana, and now Ethereum. Number 2, yield farming. Yield farming is another popular way to earn passive income on your crypto. Simply put, yield farming involves lending your cryptocurrency to the most profitable DeFi platform to earn the highest yield, then using the frequently change in yield farming returns to make a profit. There is a few different methods you can use when yield farming. The 3 most popular is lending, borrowing, and leverage lending. Lending is when you lend your cryptocurrency to borrowers. This allows you to earn yield from the interest that the borrowers pay on the loans. And unlike staking, you can cash out anytime you want. Borrowing is when you lock up your crypto as collateral and take up a loan on another token. This borrowed token can then be traded and used to farm yield. Which brings us to the next method, leveraged lending. Leveraged lending is taking this one step further. It is when you lend your crypto to a DeFi platform like Compound and take what you can borrow and reinvest it. So let's say you deposit $100 worth of basic attention token to Compound. Let's say the APR is 20%. So no, you're earning 20% interest on the $100. Now depositing $100 worth of basic attention token lets you borrow $60 worth of DAI token. Then you take that $60 worth of DAI and convert it back to basic attention token using a decentralized exchange. So now you have $60 worth of basic attention token. Then you resupply it back into Compound. Now you have $160 that you're earning 20% APR on. And since you now have deposited $60 worth of basic attention token, you can borrow, let's say, $35 of DAI, and you repeat the process. So you're basically growing your investment without using more money. Yield farming can be very profitable in the short run, but it's also very risky. You can quickly lose your money at any time if the value of your crypto asset drops, and your positions might end up being liquidated, which means that Compound, or the platform that you use, sell your positions to cover their losses. So if you're looking for some quick returns on your crypto holdings and are not afraid to take some risk, you may want to look into yield farming. The next strategy is liquidity mining. Liquidity mining is very similar to yield farming, but focuses more on providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges. When providing liquidity, it means that you are providing liquidity for a trading pair of 2 cryptocurrencies. You do this by locking your crypto assets up in the trading pair's liquidity pool. For example, BTC and USDT. In most cases, you have to deposit an equal value of both coins to qualify as a liquidity provider. As a liquidity provider for this pair, you will earn rewards based on the trading activity between BTC and USDT. As a proportion of the swap fees for this pool is distributed to the liquidity providers. This is a great way to earn a steady stream of passive income, but it does not come without risk. The value of the crypto you have locked up in a liquidity pool can drop and create an unrealized loss. The most popular decentralized exchanges that provides liquidity pool is Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Curve, and SushiSwap. So these are my top 3 crypto passive income strategies. And all of these strategies is an excellent way to earn passive income on your crypto. But please be aware of the risks involved. So if you're new to these strategies, I do recommend starting out slow at first. Now I just want to thank you for watching to the end of this video. I really hope you liked it. And if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. With that said, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.